Welcome back once again. Now let's continue with the question number 26 onwards. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please do like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new videos, you will be notified. So now let's continue with question number 26 here. It says minus 3x plus 21px is equal to 84. In the equation, p is a constant. The equation has no solution. What is the value of p? They are trying to say if this equation has no solution, what is the value of p? How do we gonna do this? I can rearrange this equation to say, so 21px is equal to 3x plus 84. So I can see of our equation to be no solution, the coefficient of x should be same on either side. Whatever the constant term should not be equal. Okay, so in that case, whatever the coefficient of x on this side should be compared with this, then I'll be writing it as 21p should be equal to 3. Now divide by 21 on either side, you'll be getting a value of p is equal to 1 by 7, because 3 times 7 is 21, or you can take a help of calculator. The value of p here is gonna be 1 by 7, which is option B. Question number 27 says x plus 6 by 3 is equal to x plus 6 by 13. The value of x plus 6 is between which of the following pair of values? They are asking us x plus 6 value is between which two number. So how do I do? As long it is asking me to solve for x, put it on the desmos and get the answer. First you will be getting value of x from this, then add 6 to it, you will be getting the number between which that entire result falls. So you can type it as, first do divide, then x plus 6 divided by 3 is equal to, again division, x plus 6 divided by 13. So what is the value of x we are getting? We are getting it as negative 6. Is there any other value? No. I am getting a value of x as negative 6. Now for x equal to negative 6, this is the result true. So x equal to negative 6. Now question asked me what is the value of x plus 6 lies between. So when I am saying x plus 6, which is same as negative 6 positive 6, which is equal to 0, and 0 lies between which two number? You can say that 0 lies between minus 2 and 2. 0 won't lie between, like if you are representing on the number line somewhere, here it is 0, here it is minus 2 and here it is plus 2. The minus 3 and minus 7 are left side of it, 2 and 7 are right side of it, 8 and 13 are never right. So 0 lies between minus 2 and plus 2. Makes sense with option B. Question 28 says minus 49x is equal to minus 98x. How many solutions does the given equation have? For what value of x this equation will be equal? That's possible only and only when x equal to 0. Why I am saying so? If you put any value of x, that expression won't be equal, provided x should be equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is, we say it as exactly one solution. As I am getting the value of x, so that indicates the value of x as 0, and that is considered to be a one solution. If you have difficulty how I am solving it, again take a help of desmos. You can just say minus 49x is equal to minus 98x. That is true only and only when the value of x is 0. So that's how we can get that, and that is the exactly one solution. Don't say zero solution. Zero solution means the situation where you won't get a value of x when you find. But as I am getting answer for x as 0, so it is one solution. Question number 29 says Megan's regular wage at her job is $P per hour for first 8 hours of work in a day, plus 1.5 times her regular hourly wage for working in excess of 8 hours that day. On a given day, Megan worked for 10 hours and her total earning for that day were $137.50. What is Megan's regular hourly wage on that day? So how do we write it? As for first 8 hours she is charging p dollars, that is the total she earned for first 8 hours is gonna be 8 times p, plus for remaining 2 hours, because she worked for total 10 hours, for remaining 2 hours she is charging 1.5 times her regular hourly wage, that is 1.5 times p, and she is charging for additional 2 hours, that is 2 times 1.5 p. This total is equal to 137.50 on that day. So use the desmos and find the value of p. As I told, while typing it on a desmos, please type it in terms of x. So you can write it in this equation as, I know that 8x plus 2 times 1.5x is equal to 137.50. So that gives me a value of p which is equal to 12.5. So the value of p here, it is 12.5. so she is charging, so $12.5 per hour makes sense with option B. 4x plus 12 is equal to a bracket x plus 3 by 2. In the equation, a is a constant. If the equation has infinitely many solution, what is the value of a? I think I have solved many questions of infinitely many solution, no solution and all. You guys must be perfect with this concept at the moment. So again, we have to compare the coefficients of x on the either side, and the constant terms should be same. So left side which has already simplified, on the right side what we can do, we can further simplify it as by taking 2 to the other side, and it becomes 2 times 4x plus 12 equal to, distribute that, ax plus 3a. I'm distributing it. So now again distribute with this 2 times 4x is gonna be 8x plus 12 times 2, it's gonna be 24 equal to ax plus 3a. To become infinite many solution, whatever the number with x on the left side should be same as number with x on the right side, that is a must be equal to 8. We go with option C. You can also check with the constants. 8 multiplied by 3, that gives me 24. So 3a equal to 24, does a equal to 8 again. So C is the right choice.